What's on the menu, guys? It's the Lunchtime Peel and healthy skin. Today we're going to talk about the Lunchtime Peel. It is a controlled micro removal of the epidermis, so just that top layer of skin. It just refreshes the surface of the skin, leaving you more radiant and luminous. This is a great treatment for anybody that's struggling with environmental damage, aging, congestion, acne. This just helps plump fine lines and wrinkles, break down any dirt, debris, bacteria, and refresh the surface of the skin. I love this service because it's really quick. It takes about 45 minutes. It can be added on to an enzyme treatment for more optimal results. It is so amazing because there's no downtime with this service. You leave a little pink and very sensitive, especially photosensitive, so SPF is vital if you have this treatment done. I suggest treatments every 4 weeks and up to 6 to 10 treatments to see the real results with these treatments. And as always, I suggest having a balanced skincare regimen with DMK products just to help balance the skin's pH and work towards your skin goals. If you have any questions or want to start your skin journey today, I suggest booking a consultation or calling the studio so we can get you on the books and we'll talk about, all the good things we have in store here. Thank you, guys.